Got a little trick for you Corvette guys. I TIG fuse the sheet metal here, or the bracket, to the actual upper control arm nut, because if those things break loose, they kind of get lost in the capture here, because there's no way of getting to them, and you got to try to fish something here to hold it up. It happened to me before from taking hits like on the upper control arm and kind of bending it. It'll actually push those bolts out. So TIG fuse around there on all of them on both sides, and then yeah, it'll never have a problem again. So something we do a little bit different on our chassis is that we use an actual like coilover bearing plate, right? This is the Part Shop Max one. It's been trimmed down on the side so that it fits up in the pocket, you know, right there correctly, because it tapers in. And the CAD engineer Chris at Part Shop Max 3D printed me, designed and 3D printed this, and it even has like steel insert bushings to help you drill, because this is a drill guide. So I have two different drill guides in order to get this. The first drill guide is to get the 4 bolts, which are that, see it matches that. Then the second one is for the bearing OD to drill out this, because the hole's already big, so you can't just run a hole saw through it, has to have a guide. So this little piece, it has an arrow facing forward, and it has a 3D printed like washer that fits just in the step in there. The bottom is just the spacer to hold it in and a nut. You get this facing nice and square where you want it. Tighten it down and then drill through it. Pretty cool. Dang, he even got me like nice ass drill bits. Damn, they fit so good through this thing. Sick. So the drill guide has 2 of the steel inserts to help guide it. So I'll flip it around. I have 2 bolts, 6mm bolts. So yeah, flip the drill guide around. Line it up with these. Yeah. And then drill the other 2. Chris made it too easy. All right, the next component to this drilling out, because that is all done, I removed the drill guide, is the hole saw guide. So this has a hole that's just perfect for the pilot of a hole saw, and it slides in there. And then this will guide my hole saw bit as I cut through these layers. It's a pain, it sucks, it takes time, it's thick and it's double layer, and there's weld and stuff in there. So I'm gonna be at it for a while. Brand new hole saw though, that's key. I put the vice grip on, much better now. Yeah. Ooh. That's nice. It's nice. Well, I do the other side drill guide. Right here, boom, boom, boom. Alec is actually taking parts off of the race car so that we can fit it on here.
So while Matt is working on the new chassis, I'm gonna start robbing parts off of the competition car. First I'm taking out the steering column, so from up there and down in the footwell. And then we're gonna pull off the windshield so that we can get it all fitted and exactly like it is on this car, on the new car. So what I just did is mark out where the steering column mounts are. You can see the red parts right there. Just so that when we put it into the new car, we'll have everything mounted up exactly the same as this one.
Because we have the steering rack in the original location, and that is the original hole for the steering column. I just found center, and I'm gonna drill it right through the center, and Alec has the steering column all cleaned up, because that's what we did on the last car. Might have to notch it a little bit and figure out where exactly it goes, but yeah, that's what we did. Drilled a hole right in the center and ran it. So I already found my center. I did my punch here with this. Spring-loaded punch, and we haulage. Putting the steering rack in so that we can line up and make sure that the stroke shot there. Okay. Let's get the bolts, or some bolts, to hold it in, just so we know it's exact. Nice. I'm gonna drill the 2 flange holes, and that portion of the column will be mounted.